Hey everyone, last video of the season here. You can see that lawn is looking really good. It loves the fall. We've got snow and freezing temperatures coming up quickly. So anyway, last application of fertilizer here today. Let's pan over here so you can see that the whole lawn is just looking fantastic. So I haven't put down any additional treatments on the lawn or anything since the early fall fertilizing. So be sure and check out the playlist of the full year of videos that I've got down below. But our final fertilizer here that we're doing today, and there's a giant shadow of me here, sorry about that. Two different kinds here. We are doing the Scotts Winterguard product here. It's got some nitrogen and then a whole bunch of potassium in it, which is what we want. And then I am mixing that with my favorite go-to. This is the PGF Complete by the Andersons. These two companies don't recommend mixing the products or anything, but I've had tons of success doing so. So anyway, do it at your own risk. But what I do is take about a 50-50 mix and put it into this trash can here. I use my little trench shovel and mix it up together. So you can see that there's some extra white pieces in here. So that's the Scotts product, and then the darker colored pieces are the Anderson's PGF Complete. So anyway, we're gonna throw this down, and that'll feed the lawn a little extra here right before it goes dormant, and the majority of the nutrients will just kind of stay put there in the soil over winter and be there to help kickstart this in the spring along with our initial spring application. So anyway, let's get to spreading here. All right, so that's it. I'll try to do one last update before the end of the year, just so you can see, hopefully right before it gets covered with snow, but hopefully after it's been frozen a few times, how it looks at that point as it's going into dormancy. Anyway, we're going to be rinsing and repeating again come next year. So might not be the perfect program, but it's a program that I found that works very well for me. It's manageable. It doesn't necessarily break the bank, right? And I'm not out here every single week or multiple times every week trying to baby the grass along. The only time I do that is at the height of summer. I have a weekly application of some sea kelp just to help it through and mitigate stress, heat stress. But aside from that, it's only every 6 to 8 weeks an application of fertilizer and some water, and that's it. Regular mowing. So anyway, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know if you want more info and more in-depth stuff on lawn care. We could certainly incorporate something next year. All right, take care, everyone.